Welcome to Travel with Mustafa, and welcome to Cirencester. Cirencester is a market town and civil parish in the Cotswold district of Gloucestershire, England. It lies on the River Churn, a tributary of the Thames. Cirencester is the 8th largest settlement in Gloucestershire and the largest town within the Cotswolds. It is the home of the Royal Agricultural University, the oldest agricultural college in the English-speaking world, founded in 1840. The town had a population of 20,229 in 2021. The town is 18 miles, 29 kilometers northwest of Swindon, 18 miles, 29 kilometers southeast of Gloucester, 37 miles, 60 kilometers west of Oxford, and 39 miles, 63 kilometers northeast of Bristol. The Roman name for the town was Corinium, which is thought to have been associated with the ancient British tribe of the Dobini, having the same root word as the River Churn. The earliest known reference to the town was by Ptolemy in AD 150. The town's Corinium Museum has an extensive Roman collection. Cirencester is known to have been an important early Roman area, along with St Albans and Colchester, and the town includes evidence of significant area roadworks. The Romans built a castra fort, where the Farsway crossed the Churn to hold two quingenary 800 men, alay tasked with helping to defend the provincial frontier around AD 49, and native Dobini were drawn from Bagandin. Like, share, follow, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.